Well, hello everyone. I'm Professor Strays. Welcome to Stray Talk. So, tonight we're going to talk about things that are important, such as some people say we shouldn't feed the strays. They say that it causes a risk to wildlife. They say it causes property damage. Environmental impact. We shouldn't feed strays because environmental impact. And we shouldn't feed strays because overpopulation and dependency. That's why we shouldn't feed strays. And we're not doing all that. We're gonna feed the strays. We're gonna take care of our kitties. We're gonna take care of the wildlife. Because that's what we do here at Enter the Realm.